Love you everyone. This recipe is about calming and soothing oneself. Encourage good quality sleep. Green bean and lily bulb soup. Green bean is great for taking care of skin inflammation. It is great for summer to lower the heat of the body during hot summers. Fresh lily bulb slices are very pleasant. It helps to soothe our throat during hot days. You can get the ingredients list in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We are Chinese Soup How To. We are a wonderful channel to tell you how and why the Chinese soups are made. Here, I am rinsing the dried ingredients gently. No need to soak for long. Lily bulb slices can calm us well for good sleeps. If you sleep well, you are able to regain energies to face the next day's challenges. I am going to blanch around 1.5 kg of pork meat. Start putting into the pot and put in tap water. Then, at high heat, till the impurities come out. This routine can give us a clean soup that can be well presented. And sure, the taste of the soup can be better. Ah, should be good now. Rinse the blanched meat under the running tap. I am rubbing out the impurities with my latex glove. This works great. And do spend time to do this. Because you will have a nice looking soup after this. No one want to have a soup flooded with white impurities. Trust me. Have a bit of patience. We are almost done. About this recipe with lily bulb slices. You might ask how Chinese knew in those ancient times that lily can work that well for our bodies. Well, imagine how the flower of a water lily looks like. So serene. That is the power of calming the bodies. In fact, this type of disposable latex gloves are great for kitchen. I found it versatile and functional. Maybe you would like to use these instead of the usual expensive pairs of working gloves. Except for the wolfberries, lily slices and American ginseng, which will be added in the last 30 minutes of the cooking time. All the meat, beans, lotus hearts and adlay are to be added in, cover with drinking water and get it to a boil at high heat. Then, turn low heat and cover the lid for the next hour and 40 minutes. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. See you.